theories and manifestations of pre-internet nonsense, and certainly earlier. There could have been more than half a dozen. Human species overlapping on Earth, in other words, having only one species at a time, Meldrum has pointed out, was not the norm. The human family tree, he said, is bushy. So, could Bigfoot be a relict hominid survivor at the tail end of a varied population? Or could it be an aspect of our collective memory, an echo tied to this more diverse past? Meldrum believes that science-driven research on Bigfoot is justified. In the same week as the government's UFO-UAP report, also came the announcement of a hominid discovery in China, based on a newly studied skull originally found in the 1930s. According to reports, it may provide further evidence of the bushy human tree, dubbed Homo longi and nicknamed Dragon Man. This skull belonged, the New York Times reported, to a mature male who had a huge brain, massive brow ridges, deep-set eyes, and a bulbous nose. The skull has been dated to at least 146,000 years ago, and no older than 300,000. In any case, it appears to add to the diversity of human types that were our contemporaries. Dragon Man's brain is estimated to have been 7% larger than our own. Analysis of the well-preserved skull should provide clues as to what that large brain was used for. We humans are hungry for company, whether saucer ambassadors from Venus or forest-dwelling Sasquatch. We desire to populate the unknown with those who we perceive as more advanced, or with possible ancestors who can teach us truths we have lost from ancient times. As science makes headway, the space in which these mysteries can exist physically shrinks on Earth or leaps too hard to conceive. Distances in the universe, but our need to imagine project in question is very large. The Northwest has been a launchpad and touchstone for both science and desire to push the boundaries of belief.